Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you must have read in my caption, today we are going to make paneer rolls, and for this I have taken wheat chapati. So we'll make a big size chapati and we will cook it from both the sides, and then we will roast some paneer cubes in a pan. I've added some butter and then garlic and sprinkled some salt and oregano. So in the same pan we'll cook that chapati from both the sides. And you can take refined flour also, which is maida, but as you already know, wheat flour is on a healthier side, so I'm preferring this one. So we will cook it from both the sides, and once it turns golden brown, we will add the fillings into it. So once it's cooked from both the sides, we'll apply Szechuan stir fry sauce, and it has a little bit chili inside it, so I really like a little bit of chili in my food. So yeah, you have to spread it all over, and then we'll add further dressings. After that, we'll add that roasted paneer. And then we'll add some chopped vegetables. So I have added onion, tomato, capsicum and some olives. You can also add jalapenos if you like. On top of that, I have added some grated cheese. So this is mozzarella cheese. And we have to spread it all over. Now I'm adding some salt on top of it and some oregano. You can also add chili flakes, but I thought already there is some chili in the Szechuan sauce, so there is no need. Now this is a little bit of chaat masala I'm adding on top, and squeezing some lemon. It gives a really nice tangy flavor. Now we'll top it with the Viva's harissa chili cumin dressing, and trust me guys, it's really amazing. You should try it once. And it is 78% fat free. So yeah, this gives a very nice amazing flavor to this paneer roll. So I have added that in the end, and now we will turn it from both the sides. Now we'll add some butter and saute it from all over, and we have to flip it like very carefully, keeping in mind our fillings, they don't come out. So guys, as you can see, it has turned golden brown from one side, and now we have to cook it from another side, and we have to make sure all the filling stays inside only. And after cooking it, we have to, it's your choice if you want to cut it in two or if you want to serve it like that, but you know, make sure to wrap it with aluminium foil so that from one end the fillings doesn't come out and you can eat it without messing up. So yeah, that's about it, and it tastes really nice. Trust me, it's a very easy recipe and it's a healthier version. If you want it to taste more better, so you can try with refined flour, which is maida, and it will taste just like a paneer wrap which you get outside. Now we'll cover it with lid also, so that the cheese we have added, it gets melted, and we will cook it for a few more seconds and then we are good to go. And after a few seconds, we'll remove the lid and it looks ready. And now it's time to do the plating. Now I'll cut the paneer roll into two halves, and it's advisable to wrap it with aluminium foil on one end so that you can eat it without messing it up. And yeah, that's about it guys. If you like the recipe, do try at home and let me know how it turned out. And thanks for watching the video. I'll be coming up with more such tasty recipes in future. So till then, stay tuned and enjoy.